What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today I want to take a look into XRP and XLM. I want to show you that these two coins are still in accumulation stage. Also, we want to take a look into the next resistance levels and also the long-term price targets. But before we are getting started, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates. And without further delay, let's get right into this. First, I have to say that here is another little update right here on the buyer index. In case you are not familiar with that, that is a self-developed indicator that is showing us how many buyers are in the market right now. And if there are too many buyers in the market, like for example right here or right here, then this is not a very positive sign, because then very likely a bigger correction is right in front of us. On the other side, if there should be just very few buyers in the market, like right here, so back in March 2020, right here in October and November 2020, or right now, as you can see right here, that is a very positive sign. And yesterday I have uploaded a video and also posted that on Patreon. By the way, if you didn't have checked out Patreon, make sure to do that. That is the first link in the video description. There you get all the information live and in real time. So every time I buy, every time I sell, and basically everything I do, you get right there. So check that out. And yesterday I've posted that this buyer index has turned around and that likely the market right now is ready to go higher. So that is why I'm very bullish on the crypto market right now again, because there are just very few buyers in the market. Buyer index has turned around, so very positive sign. And also you can see right here, let me zoom in a little bit. You can see right here we have also made the first jump to the upside, so buyers are rejoining the market. So something similar like we could see right here or right here, so after the buyer index has turned around the last time. So that is what I want to say, so that in general I'm bullish on the whole crypto market. And right now let's take a look into XRP first. And let's take a quick look right here in the volume profile, because there we can see that the accumulation stage is, or XRP still not has left the accumulation stage. Right here you can see that. So basically it is right now pretty exactly in the accumulation stage. And here in XRP there are several levels that we have to take a look for. That is right here. First you can see that the blue line, that is the 21 daily moving average. You can see right now that is pretty much exactly matching with the high from 2 days ago. So that is the first level of resistance right here. Then the next bigger level of resistance is this right here, so at 125. And then we can also see that from 125 the volume profile is bigger, basically till right here. So till, let's put it a little bit to the upside to 160. So that is then definitely the next zone where I would take a look for. So between 126, let's round that, 125 to 160. So this right here is basically the zone where I'm waiting for right now, that we will hit this. And when we should be up here, then of course there will be an update. And right now I would say at the end of the XRP analysis, let's take a look into the long-term price target. Let me quickly check that right here. You know that I use this method right here quite often, but of course right now nothing is confirmed yet. I will tell you a little bit more about this right now. Let's first take a look into the next price target, so the long-term price target. That would be $3.50. But you know, these analysis method is just active once we have breaking through the old high right here. And so far of course we are far away from that. That is why I've said, okay, first we need to break through this range right here between 125 to 160. That is important first. And once we have breaking through the upside right here, so through $1.96, so through the last high, then we can take a look at the next long-term price target of $3.50. And once we have breaking through that, so once we have breaking through this old local high right here, then we also know the time period in which we could achieve this. But here also, as soon as we are there will be an update video on that. And right now I would say let's do the same thing here for XLM and take a look how this is looking. First, yeah, let's take also a look into the volume profile. You can see right here in XLM in Stellar, it is even bigger. So here Stellar is in a big accumulation zone still. That is maybe an opportunity right here if you want to get into Stellar. Of course, that is, as always, no financial advice. And in Stellar right here, we have the next big levels right here that I would watch out is this high right here. So let me draw another rectangle. So this high, and also to the next high right here. That is a little bit too high. So that one right here, that is the next zone that I think is important for Stellar. First, you can see that that is this high right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So first, that is this high right here. That is the first mark. That is at 47 cents. And then we have here the next mark. That is the next high. That was the bounce right here after the big crash. That is 53 cents. And also you can see in this range there is also lots of volume coming in. So that very likely right here is then the next major zone of resistance right here that we have to take in a look for. But as I said, so far right now XLM still in accumulation, in the accumulation zone right here. And then in the end I would also say let's take a look into the price target, into the long-term price target of Stellar. Here also, of course, this is just active once we have breaking through the old high. And then also here, once we have done that, then we also know the time period in which it would be likely that Stellar will achieve this target that I will show you right now. And I would say let's take a look where the next long-term price target right here would be. That would be at this level. So that would be at $1.38. So that would be then the long-term price target for Stellar. But here the same as for XRP. As soon as we are in this range right here, and also as soon as we have breaking, as we have making a new high right here, then of course there will be also another update right here on my channel. I think it is important here to see, and also interesting to see, that XRP and Stellar are still in accumulation, in the accumulation zone right here, because maybe some of you guys want to take the opportunity right here. As I said, with the turn in the buyer index, personally I am very bullish again, but of course I can't put more money into the market because I'm already fully allocated. So if this video was helpful, then please leave a like. If you have any further questions, then just feel free to write them down in the comments. Subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates. That's it for this video. We will see each other in the next one, and as always, have a nice day.